Today we've actually planted a tree in memory of Queen Elizabeth at our very own health meadow at University Hospital Landock.
We're very proud to be part of the Queen's Green Canopi project, knowing that future generations will be able to visit this lasting tribute to Her Majesty.
So we're actually the first hospital site in the UK to offer outdoor-based healthcare, rehabilitation, as well as space for nature to thrive, as well as a place where local communities or local schools can access this local resource.
And more importantly, this is something not just for us, for future generations to come.